Always collect money from family and friends in your daily business, either little or big. Don't do family things. Don't attach your business with family things. Don't attach your business with friend things. Always collect money from their hand. Insist they pay you. Whether the money is big or small, let them pay you. The thing is that I have learned that if you have your friends, your co-pally or your co-family, your friends, they came to patronize you to wash your hand, you will not charge them the same way you charge others. Even if you are charging others 1,000 naira, by close example, you will charge these people 500 naira or 600 naira. Let them pay money. Because if you were not doing only business before, they will surely go to another person and pay that same amount of money there. Imagine you are not doing that thing, or you're not doing only business. Where will they wear your clothes? They will take the clothes to another only business, and they will still pay the 1,000 naira or 500 naira that person sees they will pay. Because why? They will pay because they want to do the clothes. But why will your own be different? Why will your own not be different? Why would they will not come to you now? They will laugh, afana, No. If you have been doing this before now, gather your mind, gather your heart, let them pay something. Because why? Laughter, friendship will not buy friend for you. Friendship will not buy desire from you. Friendship will not pay your store rent for you. Friendship will not pay your take care of your bills. It won't take care of your bills. Never. I won't say it when friendship not no. You know one of the things about human being. Those persons you are even helping, doing free gift for them, doing free gift for them. When something happens to you, when something not terrible happens to you, that you now need help, they'll be the one that will say, all the things, all the work money, when they work since, because where the money day. All the things they work, and they work, open some money to Saturday, money to Sunday. They will talk in your back, some harmful word. If you know the kind of harmful word these people you call friends and family talk in your back, you will not help them for free. You will not help them for free. If you hear the kind of word they are saying in your back, they will say, leave on. They say some words in your back. These people you help, people you do free for. If you won't even help them in a second. That's how it is. Take a note again. You that do lonely business, you are doing your compound, your neighbors, they come to patronize you, and you are removing money from them. Yes, it's good thing. But that's your same neighbor that sell provision store. That's your same neighbor that sell some barbecue. That's your same neighbor that do fashion design. If you go and meet them that sew for me, sell for me, they will not remove money from you. They will still charge you the same way they charge every other person. So why will your own be different? Are you seeing it now? Why will your own be different? You say this person is my neighbor. Yes. This person is my friend. Yes. This person is my colleague. Yes. No problem. I don't have problem with that. They're your friend. And you do subsidy for them. Instead of 1,000 naira, you do it 200 naira. You do it 100 naira. You do it 500 naira for them. No problem. But now, see that scenario now. You want to buy something from them. And now, this is your co-neighbor. This is your friend now. He says something in the market. He said this and that. And you are in need of that thing. You now say, Alpha, sell for me. How many of them will move money for you? How many of them will say, okay? They will tell you that this thing is cost, so the matter is price at this, so they will tell you the same amount and you will pay it. So why would they come to you and you begin to do subsidy? Sometimes those subsidies we are doing for them, we are just doing them because of God's sake. If you want to really do something, we don't have to do any subsidy for them. My business is my business. That's my priority. Yours is yours. If I come to patronize you, if you can carry your money to 1 million naira, no problem. If I can buy it, I can buy it. If I can purchase it, I can purchase it. So don't come and diminish my own. Don't come and price my own to the bottom base as if my own is nothing. Somebody see you as if you are not losing the laundry business. They say, sometimes you will not calculate your lose. They don't know. Your time, your strength, the time to rest, the time to you utilize them to make sure you please them. They will not come and say they are friends and family. Please always collect money from family and friends. Even your colleague, tell them to pay. You are operating another business and your colleague in the office and you are doing another business, I also your colleague will say, ah, you dey do okay, now my clothes, they now begin to pack it your, for free like that. What? Collect money from their hand. Are you getting me? Receive money from their hand. If your colleague know that you are doing another business, let them patronize you and pay. Because if you're not doing it before, they will go to another place and patronize the other person. Okay, tell me now. Before you start a business now, I don't know is going to another business and patronizing other people. So why we want to be different? Please, this is a warning to all the beginner and those doing friendship Zoom. Please, friendship will not pay your bills. I'm telling you. There's some friends. I have some friends with me here. Those when they can come to my office, I don't take money from their hand. No, I know this person. If I try to meet them, say, Alpha, he read though, they can do me more than what I expect. So when they come to my office, these people I know that people I can do for them freely. My mother, yes, freely. Yes, some persons are close to me, they all are free. But not everybody. You know, not everybody. There's some persons that are dearest to you. You cannot collect money for their hand. Yes, I understand. No, but not everybody. You get. So know what I'm saying now. They're not going to say, Pastor, they say I should be seeing it. No. Yes, you understand. Check my video. There's some every video I drop in a YouTube channel that will help you to grow you up. They will mold you up to grow in other business. Once again, this is Pastor Gray. Don't forget to share this video, like it, don't forget in the comment section, and if you want to be a part of this academy, say I am interested in the comment section. I'll get back to you. See you next week. Bye.